Hi, my name is Cliff Anderson. I'm Associate University Librarian at Vanderbilt University, and my birthday present to Wikidata is a course that my colleagues and I have developed called Learn Wikidata. This course grew out of our experience introducing librarians from the Vanderbilt University library system and other libraries to editing on Wikidata. And what we discovered was, although people came with lots of experience working with other types of bibliographic data in other systems, they weren't totally sure how to translate that experience into working with Wikidata. For example, what does it mean to add a publisher or to add a book or a book section or an article, an author? How do you connect them together? All those things were kind of foreign as people entered into this new environment. After this project was over, we thought, let's put together what we've learned into a course that others could benefit from. So this project comes out of a WikiCite grant, and we're very grateful for the Sloan Foundation support of WikiCite. And as you see, it's a course that we built to help people through the process of learning to edit effectively with Wikidata. Now, we've done this course in multiple languages, so there's a Chinese version, a Spanish version, and soon there will be also a French version. But we'll jump into the English version. So to start here, we click on this button, and we get into this environment. This is a project built on Twine. Twine is an interactive storytelling environment that allows you to have branches so that you can follow, for example, different pathways through our learning process. So you can see here that each of the sections is introduced by a video. We had a lot of fun putting this together using a tool called Character Animator. And then there are basic points from the video abstracted down below. And then here you can move on to the next section. So we moved on to the next section and we can decide, okay, what do we want to do next after we learn how to create an account? We could either edit a book or edit an article. So that's our first branch. So we might say, well, let's edit an article, and then we're on the article path. There's no branch here, go on to edit an item, and so on and so forth. So you can find your way moving through different pathways, but in the end, if you want to just go through everything, all the videos are listed on the side as well, so you don't have to get lost in the process. You can also go through it linearly if you want to. We hope that this project will make Wikidata and the WikiCite more accessible to information professionals, although we also think that it should make it more accessible to anyone who is coming to Wikidata for the first time and thinking about how to get involved in WikiCite. In closing, I'd also like to credit the folks that worked on this project with me. This was definitely not just me alone. It was a whole group of people working on it. Maria Pia Arate, Steve Baskoff, Mary Mae Jansen, Benjamin Klimpe, Charlotte Liu, Greg Weldy, and Andy Weslick. We had administrative officers, Tanya Carter and Susan Greider, that helped. And also I'd like to give a thanks to Liam Wyatt, Senior Program Manager at the Wikimedia Foundation, for steering us through the grant process. So happy birthday to Wikidata, and I hope you all enjoy trying out and using Learn Wikidata. And if you have any comments or feedback for us, please be in touch. We'd love to keep developing and improving this resource for the benefit of the Wikidata community. Bye-bye.